Hello friends, I am 𝒇𝒊𝒏𝒅. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers from core of my heart for supporting this channel. Today, one question JEE based on definite integral. The question seems very complicated. The value of in the numerator is given e power minus pi by 4 plus integral 0 to pi by 4 e to the power minus x 10 to the power 50x dx, and the denominator 0 to pi by 4 e to the power minus x whole into 10 power 49x plus 10 power 51x with respect to x. The options are 49, 48, 50 and 51. The question is very interesting, so we'll go for, that means what is given as I1 equals to e power minus pi by 4 plus 0 to pi by 4 e to the power minus x 10 power 50x dx, and I2 equals to 0 to pi by 4 e to the power minus x whole into 10 power 49x plus 10 power 51x with respect to x. We have to prove, to show, or to find I1 over Y2. So I am taking I2 integral 2 equals to 0 to pi by 4 e to the power minus x 10 power 49x plus 10 power 51x. So I'll take from this bracket 10 to the power 49x common, so that I'll get 1 is 10 power 2. So which will become your sec square x. So I2 equals to 0 to pi by 4 e to the power minus x 10 power 49x into sec square x. Next I go by parts, integral by parts. This is my first function, this is second function. So integral is first function into integration of second minus derivative of first into integration of second Now coming this integration part, if I take tan x as t, then sec square x dx equals to dt. So I am getting integration t power 49 dt. So that is nothing but t power 50 over 50. So 10 power 50 x over 50. So here and here. So I2 is e to the power minus x into 10 power 50x over 50 from limit 0 to pi by 4, and here minus this will be multiplied to becomes plus integration 0 to pi by 4 e to the power minus x, again this will be 10 power 50x over 50. Now I can take 1 by 50 outside. Reading the first one, so this will be e minus pi by 4, and 10 pi by 4 is 1, 1 power is 50, power is 1. So this will be just e minus pi by 4, because when I'll put 0, everything will be 0, because tan 0 is 0. In the last one, I'm not doing anything, because we can observe the numerator, it is exactly the same expression. So I2 equals to 1 over 50 e to the power minus 4 plus 0 to pi by 4 e to the power minus x into 10 t x dx. So I1 over I2 equals to e power minus pi by 4 plus 0 to pi by 4 e to the power minus x 10 to the power 50 x dx whole over 50 e to the power minus pi by 4 plus 0 to pi by 4 e to the power minus x 10 power 50 x dx. This equals to 1 over 1 by 50, that will be 50. So which part is the answer? Answer is C is the answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you have liked the video. Please share, please comment.